Okay, we're coming up to the house. When you come in, there's a landing here and a half flight of stairs up and a half flight of stairs down. Come in. Straight ahead is the kitchen. There's a pantry with a lot of appliances. And we're in the kitchen. And the kitchen is fully stocked with plates and bowls and glasses and Tupperware, pots and pans, most everything you'll need. Appliances are all new. To open the fridge, you go down here and fridge, freezer, etc. This room is set up as an office. And then we have the dining room. And this table does seat 8. It has a leaf if you need to make it bigger for other gatherings. Coming down the hall, this is the upstairs bathroom. It has a tub shower combo. It does connect directly into the master bedroom. And the closet in here. It's not a walk-in closet, but there's lots of space, extra pillows, blankets, and so forth. TV in every room, or every bedroom, I should say. This is your linen closet. Comes with a box fan, towels, extra linens. This is one of the 2 upstairs bedrooms. And its closet, again, extra blanket, cover for the bed if you have any pets. This is the smallest bedroom. Closet's about the same. And go back down the hall and down the stairs. To the lower level. And the lower level has a nice size bedroom down here. And it has a walk-in closet with built-in shelving, etc. Around the corner here is the second bathroom with a walk-in shower. And here is the laundry room and access to outside. That door there is a storage for owners. These two doors are electrical and HVAC. There's this big closet here. And we come into the living room area. And it is a nice, big, great room. It has a basketball game, and this can also be like folded up to get it out of your way if you'd like. Air hockey table, some games, a workspace, towels to wipe your dog's feet. They come in from outside. Dog bed. And the sofa here. I don't know if I can do this while I have holding the camera, but this pulls out and comes up to make for deeper seating or lounging. Now we will go outside. They are in the process of doing the fence out here. So this will be divided into a separate yard for the studio and garage there. And so the fence will come along here, and then the rest of the space is all for the house.
We also wanted to take you on a brief tour of what the neighborhood looks like. It is a slightly older neighborhood, but our street is great. The neighbors are awesome, and we haven't had any problems. It's been very safe here.